Morning. I'm in the Highlands. Decided to have a few days to myself. Started off at about 5 o'clock Sunday evening. Pitched up in Fort William just shy of 8 o'clock this morning. Had to sleep during the night in the car. Fun journey. Anyway, the plan was to do Ben Nevis today, but it's unlikely going to get a clear summit. So, got a couple of plan Bs. First off, the Glenfinnan Viaduct. Familiar to anybody who's ever watched a Harry Potter movie. And later today, probably going to go to a place called Steel Falls. Forgive me if I haven't pronounced that correctly. I think the second largest waterfall in Scotland. Anyway, first off, I'll do this. So what was really interesting to me about that was the sheer number of foreign people that were there. Some of them were dressed in Hufflepuff or Gryffindor jumpers, really getting into it. On the video, I guess you will have heard the round of applause at the end. You realise how much those stories and those movies have impacted people globally. It's really quite something.